Hi students, welcome to this course, PLC Automation, an introduction to Programmable Logic Controller. I am Professor Yao. PLC number comparison function. Objective. The keywords, list and define. Application process. Advanced compare function. Apply to. Combinations. Multiple comparison analysis. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to list and define the 6 basic compare functions. Apply each of the basic compare functions to application process. Describe the advanced compare functions and their use. Apply combination of compare functions to do multiple comparison analysis. Introduction. The keywords. The medium and the large PLC. Number comparison capabilities. Microcomputers and the microprocessors. A periodically varying between two limits derived from the two basic functions. Medium and large PLC have number comparison capabilities. The number comparisons are performed internally in a manner similar to microcomputers and microprocessors. With the PLC, there is no internal programming necessary for the operator. The PLC programming is set up for direct keyboard screen arithmetical logic. This chapter illustrates how to perform number comparisons of all types of PLC programming. In an even more complicated situation, we might wish to determine whether a periodical varying number is between two limits. These limits of comparison might be fixed, or one or both limits could be variable. Some PLC models have 2 basic comparison functions, with 4 other comparison functions derived from the 2 basic functions. Other PLC have all 6 functions as individual functions. These are covered in section 12.2. Other PLC have more advanced comparison functions, covered in section 12.3. Applications of comparison functions are illustrated in section 12.4. PLC basic comparison functions. The keywords. Derived functions. Equal and greater than or equal to. Programming capability. The 2 basic functions. Not equal, less than, greater than, and less than or equal to. Many PLC have only 2 compare functions equal and greater than or equal to. To perform any one of the other four functions, not equal, less than, greater than, and then less than or equal to, combinations of the basic two are used. Some PLCs have all 6 individual functions, which makes programming easier. Of course, some less expensive PLC do not have compare function at all. Figure 12.1 shows a table of comparison functions. Function 1 and 3 are the 2 basic functions that we have discussed. The other 4 are divided functions. The 6 direct functions for PLC having them in their programming capability are listed on the right side of the table. This shows the 6 compare functions. Number 1 and number 3 are basic functions. 2, 4, 5, 6 are derived functions. Homework. Handwriting of keywords and submitting them to Coach Facebook. Just do the online quiz and see you next time.